Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Chipotle vinaigrette. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a perfect dressing every time. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. You'll need a blender or food processor, a small bowl, and your key components like chipotle peppers, vinegar, and oil. Let's get started on this flavorful journey. Now, let's build the heart of our vinaigrette, the chipotle base. Carefully add 1 to 2 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce to your blender for that signature smoky kick. Don't forget to include 2 tablespoons of the adobo sauce from the can. It adds incredible depth. Finally, mince 1 fresh clove of garlic and toss it in to elevate the overall flavor profile. This combination is key. Achieving the perfect balance of acid and oil is crucial for a great vinaigrette. Start by incorporating 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar into your blender for a bright, tangy kick. Then, with the blender running, slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil. This gradual addition helps create a smooth, emulsified dressing. A touch of 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup will perfectly balance the flavors. Almost there. Now it's time to season your delicious chipotle vinaigrette. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a generous pinch of freshly ground black pepper to taste. Blend everything one final time until the dressing is perfectly smooth and all ingredients are well combined. You can serve this vibrant vinaigrette immediately over your favorite salads or store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.